Hello, everyone. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. How are you guys? How was your yesterday trades? I did not take any trades yesterday, like at all. 0 trades. Did you take any? Yesterday was good. That's amazing. That's amazing. Well, we were. Okay. Okay, let's talk about plans for today. If I just want to go on forward chart right now, going to high drawings. Okay, what I can see. It's pretty much happy, guys. So right here, we traced this breaker block. We got break of structure right here to upside. Price tested this break of structure. This order block, this breaker block. Yeah, looks good, right? Also, I see we got 2 IM sweep right here and 2 IM sweep right here. We don't have any SMT, right? But we have this sweep. So not going to lie, just right now, this specific second, I cannot see like TGIF today. Of course, everything can change. Just right now, I cannot see TGIF at all. If I want to go on daily chart, look at this up close candle right here and right here and right here, price simply trace back to the range. So we're still inside Wednesday range. Nothing changed. So we got immediate rebalance right here. Right here, price trace to order block. So I cannot say like I'm bullish right now. I cannot say like I'm bearish right now. I don't really have bias for today. But just looking at this sweep right here, I don't really mind to see price taking out this low right here. Let me bring my drawings back. I don't really mind price taking out this low right here. This liquidity. Right here. That's liquidity level. Well, amazing. And liquidity right here. So I don't really mind to see like we're running this low. Yeah, that's a plan. So we still have London low lower, but London high also never taken. So once again, cannot see perfect structure for today. So this is pretty much happy. Right here we got inversion fair value gap. Price still trying to detect this inversion fair value gap, but not going to lie, like London low right now. Not right now, like for today. And sell side liquidity a bit lower, right below London low. It's so tricky right now, honestly. Since inside Wednesday range, London high, London low still open targets. Let's see how it goes. Data high, which is CPI high. I'm going to rename this right now. CPI high. And CPI high right here. Okay. Okay, I need to highlight Asia low. Okay, forgot about this. And personally, I don't mind to see lower. I don't know how it will how it will go, honestly. Okay, Asia low right here, but if I could send this lower, I would send this to overnight levels, honestly. Okay, Asia low right here. So both yes and Q right now below New York midnight open. Yesterday I was like weekly profile is going to be just consolidation profile, you know, like because it's pretty much consolidation, nothing significant happened. We're still inside Wednesday range, so cannot say for sure. We have like, you know, when Monday low, Friday high weekly profile. This profile looks like this, so I'm going to show you right now. Sorry guys, I'm left-handed person trying to type this using my right hand. Not so bad. So this profile is going to be like this. Which is also possible, right? But in my opinion, just talking about profile, so far it looks like consolidation. So once again, where is my... So we got low, consolidation, high, pretty much consolidation profile, right? Oh, no TJ. I said like no, maybe not TJF today. All we have right now is something like this. We're not sure about Friday yet, but honestly, I don't know yet. Like, there is no this profile, right? Interesting. So far, just in my humble opinion, it's consolidation. Hello, hello. Yeah, ignoring range right now, like looking just on candlesticks right here, and like imagine it's not like a couple of thousand points range. It's pretty much consolidation. Weekly range so far almost 8,000 points. 17%, almost 18% move up. That's amazing. So let's see how it goes. Like, no solid plan right now. If I could send this lower to overnight levels, I would do this. We will see. We will see, guys. On 30-minute, right here, we have sweep right here, right? Let's highlight this to see what is going on. We got sweep right here, and we got sweep right here, right? Okay, going to switch on 3-minute chart right now. What we can see, since we got 30-minute sweep right here, with this move up, price did trace to the 3-minute order block. We got 3-minute sweep right here. Price so hard right now to find good order block right here, but if I want to consider this candle, right here we did trace to this order block as well. It's propulsion block, right? Same right here. So with this week up right here of the then close candle, we did trace to this order block on 3-minute chart and price continue going lower. So London lows, it's pretty much market maker sell model right now on lower time frame. We target at London low, but we still like, it's still pre-market. Oh, we have 4 more seconds. Okay, 30 seconds left, guys. Let's see. No reason to take any trades before market open. Like 30 seconds before market open. Let's see how it goes. But just for now, that will be ideal picture. I mean, maybe just sell off immediately right at the open, but London low looks nice to me. I just for now, I cannot see any other targets. Just personally can see right now new high of the week. Just right now, everything can change. Need to just get structure for upside. Okay, market is open. Right here and right here. Hello, everyone. Hello, who just joined. Good morning. So right now, we traced to New York midnight open to the tick. Price a little bit stuck right there. Doesn't mean like we will reverse from here, but we're stuck right here. Okay, New York midnight open. We have 3-minute order block right above this level. Interesting how we stuck. Good morning, guys. What about hourly chart? Continuing hourly chart, guys. We got exactly the same sweep right here. With this candle like current candle what we have right now, makes sense to detrace, and if it wants to go lower after retracement, like back to premium reversal. We have breaker block right here, which was already tested, right? And we have inversion right here with target at London low, because once again, seems like market maker sell model. Not seems like it's market maker sell model, right? Look how we're trying to just respect New York midnight open, like to the tick. Okay. Okay. Where's my perfect tool? Right here. Okay. Nice rejection from this New York midnight open so far. That's crazy, right? Doesn't look like huge move, but it's already 100 points right here and like 40 points on ES. That's crazy. Literally crazy. Slowly going to this London low. Let's see how it goes, because we have next important liquidity level right here and right here. Because I'm pretty sure, like, if price wants to continue going lower, like target not like really London low, but this liquidity level right here, which is 10 p.m. low. Okay, in my opinion, right here, we got once again run right here. It formed intermediate term high, right? Which is what, first stage of distribution at this point. Then we a bit consolidating right here. Price offer a second stage of redistribution, confirmed by this inversion for a value gap, continue going lower. So second stage of redistribution is right here. First one is right here. For example, according to my video, we want to see intermediate term high, intermediate short-term low, short-term high right here, and next fair value gap right here. So it's going to be, for example, third trade. Second trade is going to be, for example, entry right here with stop loss right here. It's like first entry target right here. Another opportunity, for example, based on second stage of redistribution, which is time distortion, break above distortion high, inversion, move lower, exactly same target. Like, for example, market maker sell model, target for this model right here. But I personally would like to see lower. But Chris, I hope you know this. You just want to probably check this with me. Okay, we run this sell side liquidity right here. We don't really have any SMT, right? Oops. That's still 5-minute chart. I don't really want to sit on 1-minute chart. So just for now, we tested the ejection block right here and right here. First, trying to respect the ejection block. Yes, the ejection block can be part of liquidity level, but almost never it reversed, like from the ejection block. It can give us reaction, but not really reversal. Sometimes, yes, it's going to be reversal, but I hope it's not going to be the case today. Right? A bit choppy right here. 5-minute chart, 3-minute chart, 1-minute chart. Nothing significant happening. Just right now. Just right now. So right here, I highlighted order block that I mentioned before. So right as they open, we want to see price trade into, for example, we want to see this trade into this not fair value gap order block, and if it may displace, may continue to London low. Let's see, guys. Let's see. No candle right here. Candle mission. We don't have first presented right yet. Not really. Yeah. I have 33 and 35. I don't have 34 candle. 934. Classic picture, so like normal recently. So far price tries NQ and ES trying to just pick this order block, specifically mean threshold of this 1 minute order block, trying to give us reaction, but it's not that important. Hello, who just joined? Hello, guys. Good morning. Choppy right now, choppy. Nothing interesting. Okay, just for now, trying to respect once again mean threshold of this 1 minute order block. Still, we don't have first presented. We do have this on yes, I believe, right? What time is this? Yeah, we have it. Very small on yes, but we don't have it on NQ yet. Okay. Something like this. Plan for now. Yeah, I checked goals this morning, nothing interesting. It was just straight move up. That's why I'm avoiding this. I didn't find proper structure, for gold or silver because it was straight move up on high time frame. Trying to stay away. It's not volume imbalance. It's just candle missing. I don't have 924 candle for some magical reason. Okay, looks nice. Looks nice. Definitely looks nice. Let's check real quick what we have. We have this breaker. We have inversion. I saw that comment, yeah. I know every single language, yeah. I can speak any language you want. Yeah, 9:31 a.m. offer it first presented. News in 19 minutes. Well. We have SMT. No, we don't have any SMT. Like minor. That's all we have. First presented on NQ is right here. Well, we got reclaimed fair value. Not really yet. We need to see the closure below this fair value gap. Not yet. Not yet right here as well. Not inversion. What about 15-minute chart? A bit choppy. We did trace the 15-minute fair value gap. I hope you can get some sort of setup on lower time frame of 15-minute British PT race. So it failed to offer a declaimed fair value gap right here. It failed to offer inversion fair value gap right here. Keep sitting on my hands. Yes. It's about to break above New York midnight open because insecurity above this level. Let's see if yes may break this. High. Not yet. Not perfect opening in my opinion, but still too early. We got break of structure right here. Price decrease to this order block. Failed to offer inversion. Continue going higher right here. Okay. 5-minute inversion. Yes, I'm waiting for 10 exactly. Still trying to hold this SMT between ES and Q. Nothing confirms this SMT yet because you don't have displacement lower or order block. No immediate reaction. Because on 15-minute chart, I'm waiting. If it wants to go higher, I'm waiting for 15-minute order block to confirm this. At least I don't mind. Yep, back low. Nothing significant happened yet. I have news at 10, waiting for 10. Okay, broke this high right here and right here. Okay, let's just do this inversion on 5-minute chart. Yes, still trying to respect hourly breaker block. Thank you as well. So failed to take London low right here, which was kind of obvious target, but we'll accept this for now. Maybe it's still too early for this. I'm going to extend this 3-minute order block and going to switch on 3-minute chart. Only problem is this ugly order block right here. Okay, I will use this candle, just one candle. Price retrace to the 3-minute order block. You'll see soon. I don't want to predict something. Both ES and NQ above daily open already. We trace back to premium of overnight range. Guys, I'm going to come back in 2 minutes. I'm back. Okay, what I missed, I guess nothing. We're still trying to respect 5-minute inversion. The trace to order block on 5-minute chart and 3-minute chart. Let's see. At least, just for now, nothing invalidate idea to go lower. $74 points. Yeah, of course. I mean, of course it can go anyway. Not going to even argue with this. So we got 1 minute inversion, price trying to respect 3 minute order block. 5 minute inversion. Also BPR, as I can see on my 5 minute chart. So we got order blocks that turn into breaker block right now, right here. It was 3 minutes, I believe. Yeah. Nice reaction from this 3 minute breaker block. Let me delete some levels. I don't have so many. I don't need so many levels on my chart. Right here, we just trace this 3 minute fair value gap. By the way, same right here, but we're closed above this fair value gap. Right here, but price failed to close above this fair value gap on ES. That, I mean, like, everything possible today. Not going to say, like, it's not possible. But right here, solid reaction from this first presented, right? Failed to close below this, immediately respected, as well as it failed to offer reclaimed fair value gap because failed to close below this first presented fair value gap as well. Just continue going higher. That was crazy. Okay, let's see what will happen next. On 15-minute chart, we still don't have 15-minute order block. That's why I don't want too long, because we don't have structure for a long on medium time frame. I'm not saying like it's not possible to go higher, because it's possible. Just once you get medium time frame confirmation for this, which is 15-minute chart. Okay, news in 4 minutes. Give me 1 second, I will tell you what kind of news we have. High impact news, red folder news. I mean, every single trader wants to take the trade. Just nothing I like right now. I mean, I don't mind to long if 15-minute order block presented. I don't mind to short if it fails to offer order block, because I don't have bias for today, like solid bias. Why? Because London high, London low failed to be taken before market open. That's why. It's a bit choppy for me. I would not say like every single Friday is tricky to trade, not really. Just right now, since it failed to take overnight liquidity level, which I prefer to see before market open, normally. Just waiting. London low was taken on YM. Okay, that's interesting. But at least it makes sense to take at least on ES or NQ. I mean, as long as we don't have order block on 15-minute chart, I will look for London low. Once it presents this 15-minute order block on NQ, I will think about my idea to look for London low on ES or NQ. That's my plan right now. For our a bit strange right now. We got 2 AM liquidity sweep on forward chart. And price right now kind of stuck at 3-minute order block, which supports idea for continuation lower. Let's see. News in 2 minutes, guys. Let's see how it goes. Waiting for news. Let's see how this flower candle is going to close. That's important. News in 1 minute, guys. Since it's pretty much slowly going up, I hope move down is going to be faster. Maybe not just right now. Maybe we just need to wait a bit longer than like 10 minutes, right? But we'll see. I like how it's slowly going up, building lots of Euler swings, which slow resistance, right? That's a good for us. 20 seconds left until 10 AM. Okay, it's 10, guys. 10 AM. Keep in mind, it will try to offer manipulation first. Because we got open, move down. So far we have open, low. Needs to offer move higher, which will be ideal manipulation to me, ideally, then down. Just believe it's still too early to drop. Oh yeah, everyone who won my funded teachers accounts, I hope got the email with this account. With their account, free account. Oh, you're up $1,000. That's amazing. Good job. Good job, good job. big range from here to here. 100 points. I like this move down. Only issue with this early candle, not early, 30-minute 4, I don't care which one. We got open, low immediately. So at this point, I don't mind to see this, guys, honestly. Something like this, maybe a bit higher. With Apex, I have 50k accounts. With Take Profit Trader, I have 150k account. Did trace to this mitigation block so far. We still inside 3-minute breaker block. My draw will be lower for today, which is overnight lows, Asia low, and London low. The question when. No rush so far. We got huge displacement lower, which only offered order block right here. Displacement offered move to discount, which is too crazy, too short. It chased to first presented fair value gap on NQ first. Yeah, still above this level. Still trying to hold not only first presented but mitigation block on 1-minute chart. Both ES and NQ stuck at New York midnight open. Cannot see like we got strong break below this level yet. Once again, right here we got open. Price immediately offered low. Right here, open low. Open low, high close, probably. Where it will, I know, like, it's just for now, I would, maybe something like this. This is what I would like to see. So right now, my funded futures running 25% off sale on Starter Plus account. That's the sale that they have right now. Good sale, by the way. Starter Plus is best account, in my opinion, type of account on my funded futures. Tricky structure, not going to lie. We got 30-minute sweep, we got hourly sweep, we got just sweeps on both sides, right? But right here we got 30-minute sweep. Right here, price did trace down to 3-minute order block right here. That's it. Just what makes sense to me based on formation of current hourly candle, go up, then down. This entry is from nowhere. I cannot find perfect entry yet. Just any entry type. And 1 minute chart. Something like this, you know. I'm not on trade. I'm just like trying to discuss. Price is chased to New York midnight open right here and right here. Looks heavy, but once again, from what I see, I'm going to repeat this again. We got open, low. It's about to offer high and probably not close. Ideally, I would like to see lower, but from what I can see so far, structure like to upside on current 30-minute chart or maybe hourly chart. So guys, not trades yet. I don't want to draw a 4-hour fair value gap because it's huge range fair value gap. Okay, once again, we got 30-minute liquidity sweep right here. Price to chase to 3-minute order block. OT first presented, continue going higher. Fully balanced leg on 1-minute chart right here, but we have 2-minute inversion. But on 1-minute chart, completely balanced part right here of this leg. I mean, right here. A bit choppy still. Seems like low resistance right here on hourly. Not hourly, at every single time frame. Have minor SMT between ES and NQ so far. In my opinion, just right now, hourly chart for our chart looks choppy. I cannot say it looks like bull flag or bear flag. I don't care. It just looks choppy. That's it. I don't know how, guys, you're so good to frame the trade in this choppiness. Or just me. Also possible. Trying to hold SMT overrate inversion right here. So choppy right now. That's extremely annoying. Would like to try probably this. Let me put. Oh, it's so choppy. We'll give it. Wait. With this, we'll give it a try. Acceptable stop loss. If I'm wrong, I will just wait for London high taken and we'll re-enter again. Using this inversion for a value gap for entry. We have inversion. We have SMT. We'll give it a try. Not a good. Yeah, it's just one micro to try. Extremely small size. Just one micro to try. Try in small size. If wrong, then we'll wait for London high taken and we'll re-enter again. Let's see. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. No complaints about this trade. Yeah, it's a bit consolidation right now, so I don't want to risk a lot at this point. Just small size to try. Big ranges. Where is London low? Day 14.25. Okay. Yeah, guys, highly recommend to not, please try to avoid taking huge amount of contracts. Volatility is crazy. Ranges is big. Try to take like couple of micros which you can afford to lose. For example, you can risk, I don't know, like $200 per trade with this volatility. If you cannot afford to risk only $200, risk one micro. For example, if you risk per trade for $100, risk 2 micros. So yeah, this is how it works. Trying, risking, let's see how it goes. No risk, no reward, right? You can see it's 1 minute chart on both. All I like right here why I entered, not only because we got 1 minute inversion, I absolutely don't care about this inversion, but how price trying to respect 3 minute order block. It's basically propulsion block, which makes me feel like, yes, at this point it should, I cannot say like for sure it should drop, I don't know. But structure just trying to tell me like it's drop opportunity, probably short opportunity. 5 minute BPR, yeah, maybe. I know. Maybe entry wasn't perfect, but it is what it is. Yes, just about to retrace the first presented fair value gap. Thinking about moving on break even right now. Yeah, break even trade. Yes, just respected first. Not respected, took this first presented fair value gap. We'll take off right here. Good job. Dasha, good job. You did amazing job today. Yep. Congratulations, guys. 150 points. W in the chat. Good job, guys. We did it. Yeah, I mean, nowadays I'm happy with like any winning trade. Yeah, maybe not big size, but I'm happy with my analysis. Just follow the plan, execute. Good job, guys. Yeah, not huge winnings, like nothing to hide. I mean, but I'm happy with my performance. Like anyway. Yeah, I'm so happy with entry. Like entry that first presented inversion fair value gap. This wasn't first inversion fair value gap, obviously, but was reaction from 3-minute order block. Great analysis. Yeah, traded 20 accounts. Yeah, I mean, no complaints, guys. Happy with what I have. Good job. Trade. I truly believe it was trade of the day because we actually catch this expansion. Hit the like button, guys. Subscribe. We did an amazing job. Oh, 20 epics. So yeah, I have 20 accounts. Executed on all 20 accounts. Yeah, we were a bit on the drawdown, like for 4 minutes, probably 3 minutes. Not a big deal. By the way, yes, it could be unicorn. You're right about this. It could be. I trade with only one contract, so partial time, not today. So for Apex, I have 50k accounts. Always had 50k accounts. For any other platforms, I also have 50k accounts. But for Take Profit Trader, I have 150k account because I can trade bigger sizer due to daily payouts. Oh, actually, trade idea was amazing. It was almost 3 hour trade. Great. Idea initially was based on flower sweep, exactly right. But from what I saw, I'm sorry, guys. Pretty much, yeah, hourly looks absolutely ugly, not obvious. But 30-minute offered sweep. Once again, we got 4 hour liquidity sweep, we got 30-minute sweep, and right here, we got 30-minute sweep. So price basically right here did trace to 3-minute order block, created 3-minute propulsion block right here, and continue going lower. So entry was like more based on 3-minute propulsion block. Just idea of execution was the inversion fair value gap. That's it. That's pretty much it. It was like this. That's it. So at the beginning of Steam, I said I'm looking for London low, and I said as long as we hold this 3-minute order block and 2 a.m. sweep, I cannot be bullish. And what I said, I'm going to change my mind only at the point if 15-minute order block presented. If you go on 15-minute chart, it's never ever offered 15-minute order block. That's why it was like, I cannot long because 15-minute just screaming right now, it's going to be fake long because order block changing the state of delivery never presented. That's why. I believe. Okay, perfect week, guys. I took 0 losses this week. I'm not going to. I'm going to be done for today. Like 1 trade a day, and that's it. 3-minute propulsion block. Absolutely, yes, I can. So I'm going to hide drawings right now. So right here, this 3 up close candle was first order block after we got chicken dinner. Okay. 3-minute order block right here was first order block once we got 30-minute sweep. So price, if you want to extend this line right here, like right here, I respected this order block many times. So if you just want to draw 50% of this order block, price never ever actually broke above 50%. So it was first confirmation right here. Since we got 30-minute sweep again right here, candle right here, opened right here, and just was expansion down, continuation, right? So obviously, it offered nothing for us to short. Okay, I saw this, and I was like, maybe next candle, maybe, I wasn't sure, but maybe next candle will retrace up again, basically to this week, and retest an order block right here, and propulsion block, this one up close candle, this one, will be an entry. Remember what I said? We got order block right here with this displacement in discount. I said it's too low to enter short, right? But price retrace up again, back to premium. Yeah, I could enter this fair value gap, and I believe my entry was near this fair value gap. But I decided to switch on 1-minute chart, and what I saw, inversion. Okay, used inversion right here, but still was part of 3-minute fair value gap. Like, it's up to you, like what you want to use. I would say exactly same level. Yeah, every single entry will be near my level. So yeah, good trade. Yeah, I was in drawdown a little bit, but it's part of the game, so continue dropping. So can we take Asia low? I believe so. We can take Asia low, but since we were in with one contract. Hello, you missed something. We already traded. We took the short. Since we were in with one contract, I'm not going to take any other trades. So that's free indicator. I'm going to share the link, guys, about the script. It's highlight like every single hour. It's good for me because sometimes I just forgot. I usually forgot to check what time is this. And when I see the separator, for example, I see it's 9 a.m. I see like it's 10 a.m. We'll probably offer manipulations and move down. Oh, it's not from here. It was, give me 1 second. It was from here. From this low to this high. So it just like, it was OT from this low to this high. Sorry about this. So once again, Asia low can be taken. Yeah, actually, short idea was based on 4-hour chart because when I woke up and like I saw this 4-hour chart, I was like, preferably look for move lower because we got 4-hour sweep, 2 a.m. sweep, and with this sweep, price did nothing. So basically, once again, let me hide drawings and explain the reason. From what I saw, once we got, see the sweep right here, what happened right here? So basically, nothing, right? Price offered expansion down, failed to take every single level. Overnight levels failed to be taken. Absolutely everything failed to be taken. And I was like, probably we will drop. But I wasn't sure entirely like how far we can drop. I was looking for conservative levels because once again, daily chart, in my humble opinion, looks a bit choppy. So I'm not trying to look for huge targets for the day. But like conservative levels, why not? Yes, exactly. For our sweeps yes, exactly. This one. And once again, we executed together. So I saw this inversion right here. Entered. Stop loss was above this wicks, like near this wicks, and closed near this, not near, like at this equal lows, but you could hold to London low. It's not a big deal, like 50 points difference, maybe even less, 40 points. So this Monday, I did not stream at all, like at all, even for my group, like at all. It was like day off for me. But normally, like I stream on Monday, I trade on Monday. Like it was just like day off. Okay. I hope, guys, you understand the reason of the short. Any other questions? I hope I explained this well. At least I explained how I saw this. Like, that's it. So someone asked for take profit trader. Absolutely in love with this. Highly recommend. Yeah, I'm going to Steam on Monday. It was just Yeah, I'm going to Steam on Monday. It was just they offer me this Monday. Yeah, guys. Yeah, take profit trader has trading drawdown once you pass your evaluation, but reason why I pick like 150K account because of drawdown, like for $4,500 trading drawdown. I mean, like I can trade bigger size because take profit trader has daily payouts. Like makes sense to look for bigger account. But 150K like optional for me. I don't think it's a bad account. I like it. But for any other platforms, I prefer to use 50K. That's my, I don't know, like just like it. No complaints about trading drawdown and Apex 2500. Like nothing wrong with this. I like it. Well, well, great trade. I was unsure with, guys, I was unsure with London Low. I said this at the very beginning that I'm looking for London Low. If 50-minute, just go on 50-minute chart, I will look for London Low if 50-minute chart fails to offer order block. Did it fail? Yes, it failed. See? That's why I hate to look on 1 hour chart without considering at least medium time frame. I'm not saying like it's bad, but no, it's bad. That's it. I mean, when you see like A plus setup on 1 minute chart, but 15-minute chart screaming like for opposite bias, you're going to take loss. That's it. So you must, if you're looking for entry, you must consider at least medium time frame. Medium time frame, for example, 15-minute chart. But without considering high time frame, medium time frame, every single lower time frame entry is going to be not great. Maybe you will be liking entry with trend, but if you don't look at high time frame, probably that's not going to be good. Oh, you're very welcome. So I can say it wasn't like A plus, it was A setup. Not A plus maybe, but not A minus, like A setup. I did not take many trades this week. I took maybe 3-4 trades this week. But I hope I finish this day like this week green, like with 0 losses. Just I'm very picky. Like I'm very picky with my entries, with my setups, and I'm like, when I don't like this means I'm not going to enter. Like no matter what is going on, if I don't like this, no trade. No trades. Even like today, since I was pretty much confident, I said I'm going to try this one, and if it's going to fail, which like once again possible, we cannot be right 100%. I will try again just a bit later if London High wants to be taken first for some reason. You did not enter? I mean, like, I don't know if you can re-enter. I don't want to even like look for another setup. It takes too much energy. But why did not enter at the top? I mean, like in premium. Why are you looking for entry right now? We took win today. We shorted. Who just joined? We shorted this one. That's it. Oh, wait a minute. You want to tell me like you did not take profit at London Low and just move at break even? No, don't tell me this. I don't want to see this. No. Why? What's the reason behind this decision? It's Friday, come on. Inside Wednesday range. Take conservative target and you're free to go for today. Like, you don't need to sit in front of charts like for hours. Don't be like this, please. Oh, guys. I'm not going to frame any trades anymore because I'm not going to take any trades anymore. It's Friday. I'm happy with one winning trade. Even, for example, let's say it was losing trade. I could be happy with this. But continue structure, just structure right now. Nothing tells me too long. That's what I want to say. Nothing tells me too long right now. Unless I see structure on 5-minute chart, which will tell me like, okay, it's probably long, but nothing yet. Yeah, sometimes I trade PM session when IM was consolidation. We did not take any levels, let's say. At this point, yes, I'm looking for PM session trades, but I'm not going to. I prefer to like trade between like 9 and 11, best time for me, and be done for the day. I don't need to sit in front of charts for hours to take in trade, something like this. Just that's it. For today, I'm not going to even look at PM session because today is Friday. We're still inside Wednesday range, so no, thank you. Maybe any other days, but not today. Not today. Because if I just want to look at this chart right now, on 1-minute chart, market maker sell model to this London low, in my humble opinion, completed. Yeah, like, of course, like, if you miss the trade today, like, it doesn't mean like it's bad. You will try again on Monday, so that's not bad. Any other questions, guys? So happy to be done before 11. So happy to be done before 11. Yep. From what I can see right now, we don't have structure to upside yet. Still bearish in my opinion. Do you happy with Replikanto? Yes, absolutely. Best copier so far. I mean, I did not try any other copiers, but I like it, so no complaints. Yeah, like I did not get perfect feel today at the same price. Like I would say difference like $3-4 in profit, but not a big deal, I guess. You want to short gold? What's the target? You know, if you're looking for short on gold, just I highly recommend to check silver as well. What silver just trying to tell you? Like silver give us any opportunity to short right now. I'm just trying to compare silver and gold right now. It's absolutely not in sync. Silver extremely bullish. I mean, maybe you want to tell me like we have SMT, but it's not in sync. So at this point, if you're looking for short on gold, you need to trade. You need to look for a trade on silver because since gold is trying to drop and silver trying to go higher, I would wait for a short opportunity on silver, most likely. Confirm SMT with gold. Just trade now. Doesn't really make sense to short gold without considering something on silver. We don't really have like perfect SMT right now. Yeah, if you will look for short, I personally would look for short on silver, not on gold. Since silver keeps going higher. Yes. That's my recommendation. But if you see perfect short on gold, you can take this. I just cannot say for sure I see perfect short on gold, personally. Unless silver confirms this. Like, maybe order block on 5-minute chart, maybe fair value gap, bearish fair value gap. At this point, yes, I will talk about possible short. Just don't like this right now. SMT to I mean bullish SMT, right? Yeah, then maybe. So who just joined? We took one trade today. It was short on NQ, MNQ to be more specific. As I said before, just still, I said like at the beginning of Steam, I don't see like a TJF today. Still cannot see TJF today. Nothing tells me for TJF. Just right now. Okay. Small low resistance right here. Like low resistance right here. Not significant. It's like for scalp maybe, but not significant. What else? See how we stuck at first presented fair value gap? Interesting. Good resistance, looks like. If you don't mind, I'm going to delete this. I'm just going to leave this trade idea that we took. So what will confirm idea for long? 50-minute order block. As I said before, only at this point I will look for long. Or, for example, it will offer another 20-minute sweep right here. That's it. Nothing more. Because my brain, like works only with bearish market. I can see perfect short setups, and if you just go on my previous live streams, you will see how many shorts I took and how I took very few long trades. I don't know why, like how it works, but most of my best trades are shorts. Sometimes, yeah, when it's like absolutely obvious long, I will take this. But when it's like, when we're talking about like picking the bottom, like turtle soup, maybe something very low. When it's like obvious and screaming Dasha just long right here, I will do this. But when I see like run right here, it's always hard. Best option right here. What is going on? What happened right here? We got sweep. We got hotter block. We got breaking block. It's funny, right? it's just funny, I know, just like naturally, guys, right? Market is way easier to drop than pump, right? That's why I maybe like short because of speed. It's always fast. Compare this fast move down and slow move up right here, and relatively like small move up right here. See, it's like almost always like this. I don't know. Maybe it just me. I took 3-minute order block. That's it. I believe. Maybe just me, guys. But I'm pretty much confident. Lots of people like this who perfect in shorts, but not perfect in longs like me. It's funny, right? That's why for people like us, guys, TradingView created this option: invert the chart. See, invert the chart. Sometimes it's way easier. It's for people like us, guys. I swear to God, they did this for us. Right? First present, yes, 9:31 a.m. It's different time with NQ, unfortunately, because NQ failed to offer for a while gap at 9:31 a.m. 9:31 a.m. 9 to 1. Oh, shortcuts. Okay. It's like Alt I. Or you see the gear button right here, just go right here, like invert scale and invert this. Or Alt I. That's it. I just personally like it. Um, invert. Do we have indicator like this? Look at this. What I found. What? See this? No, that's body. Okay, let's paste it right here. Paste it right here. Wix, it just was exactly the same. See this? What? Guys, we have indicator. For people like us. See, 38 people at least like us. Isn't that amazing? That's great. Okay, let's see. So we trace back to this inversion for about you get back to the dominant propulsion block. Can you tell me the price for new day opening gap? No, I only consider sweep of weeks. I don't care about bodies. So if I look for liquidity sweep on 30-minute chart, like hourly chart, 4-hour chart, daily, weekly, whatever, I will look for weeks only. I don't really care about bodies. We got 2-minute inversion, by the way, to downside. right here. Thank you. 0.45. Okay, what we have at 0.45? We have Asia low near this level. That's interesting. Yeah, 2-minute inversion right here looks great in my opinion. Once again, I will change my mind with continuation lower only after 15-minute order block, bullish order block presented. Only at this point I will be ready to switch to bullish view. I'm just trying to say that I'm not interested in longs as long as we trying to hold better structure without order block on 15-minute chart. That's my humble opinion. By side taken first, I mean, I'm not going to argue with you because that's possible. So, but my personal opinion, once again, I can do wrong, like nothing wrong with this. If it create order block on 15-minute chart, I will look for buy side. If not, then I'm not ready to look for buy side. That's simple. Just my opinion, guys, about long opportunity. I mean, if I want to look for long, I will look only after, I mean, long for big move up. I'm not saying like retracement back to premium. I absolutely don't care about retracement back to premium. I'm talking about like huge move up. For example, to London high, maybe even higher. Only after 15-minute order block presented. I will talk about this. But right now, happy to be wrong. That's it. By the way, today, last day to get 25% off on Starter Plus account on my fund futures. Just trying to say, you guys. Last day. Not going to be valid on Monday. Last day to get the perfect sale on Starter Plus because I personally like Starter Plus more than Expert or Starter Plan account. But once again, it's up to you what you want to try. But that's my opinion. Yeah. So see how interesting we just stuck at this first presented. Since Apex doesn't have 80% off right now, best sale so far, in my opinion, just across all prop firms is TradingView with 30% off and Take Profit Trader because 30% off and no activation fee. That's what I like. Personally, I have 3 Take Profit Trader 150k accounts. I absolutely love it. Amazing, beautiful accounts. No complaints about this. Once again, why I decided to get 150k? Why not 50k? Because 150k account has bigger drawdown, and due to they have daily payouts, makes sense for me to like risk a bit more than I can afford on 50k. I hope it makes sense. That's it. Yeah, on Apex they have activation fee. I'm not entirely sure what kind of activation fee they have right now because of no deal. But yeah, you need to pay activation fee because with 80% off they had 125 activation fee. Sometimes they have 85. I'm so happy I got my 50k accounts, 20 accounts with $55 activation fee. It was kind of good deal. If not mistaken, they had 80% off and $85 activation fee. Yeah, something like this. So happy I was able to get this kind of perfect deal with 2 accounts. So, boring transaction so far. As I said before, our trade was trade of the day. Still ready to say this. Our trade was trade of the day. See price right now trying to just be a 2-minute inversion. So that's great for me. I still believe draw. Yeah, we have draw lower, which is Asia low. Since we're trying to just be a 2-minute inversion for value gap, like for the last 10 minutes. I hope we can continue going lower. Once again, longs valid only with 15-minute bullish order block. We don't have it for now. No longs for me. I hope. Yeah. Praying for you. To drop more. Asia low. Oh, like 300 points away. I mean, you can short if you see setup. I'm just done. I prefer to have one trade a day and be done for the day. It's like discipline, probably. The rules. I'm trying to follow this. Yes, of course. So order block at this point is going to be right here with closure above. Right here, above open of this candle, at least. Which is way lower right now. So right here, order block. Where is my order block is going to be right here. Once we can, oh, what is going on? My ninja is broken. Trump said something. Anyway, guys, I will look for a long if we may close above this level right here. Close, I don't care about sweep. Absolutely don't care about sweep. Yes. I will flip my bias for example, for long only with order block on 15-minute chart. That's it. That's it. It's 11. We have any news at 11? What good news source for Trump? Twitter. I believe it's Twitter. Definitely it was Newsweek or Trump said something. Probably. Trump candle, exactly. Once again, I'm ready to repeat this. Our trade right here was trade of the day. Everything right after this is trash. That's all I want to say. We don't have 15-minute order block, guys, so I still have zero interest in longs. That's it. That's it. Right now, just consolidation. I will sit like a couple of more minutes, but absolutely happy with my 150 points trade. Like, not going to complain about this. Yeah, nothing is going on so far. Guys, any other important questions we can discuss? Trading is not hard when you follow your plan and your rules. That's it. When you trust your analysis, don't listen to anyone, and execute. That's it. What about free fall? Let me see if we have. Do we have this? I'm looking for icon, funny icon to attach here. Can't find it. Probably this one. How to flip this? Let's go down. How to flip this? I mean, like, not like this. Okay. Just go down. First, you cannot mirror this somehow. Okay, you got the point. I always consider SPX, by the way. I always consider SPX for my analysis. If I don't show this, it doesn't mean like I don't consider this. Yeah, SPX right now pretty much happy. So we have RTH gap higher. So maybe it's not for today, just maybe for next week. It depends on your needs. You can invest your first payout to your life account. You send me a message in Discord. Absolutely zero messages I got from you or from someone else. No requests. Uh, 244. 244. What we have? I have 260 if you're looking for like target lower. 260 is like conservative. Conservative. Probably TP. Oh, okay, 50-minute fair value gap. Well, it's slightly higher. It's like rest area right here. Okay, trying to have some fun with this boring price action. Like rest area right here. Once again, once I finish the stream, we should hit this. I did not trade consolidation. Come on, I traded right here. I traded expansion. Right here, I'm just trying to have some fun because price action is consolidation. So no speed, nothing. Right now, just that market. So overall, when we have consolidation or something like this, it makes sense to use medium time frame. Medium time frame, in my opinion, starts from with 50-minute chart. So back to the range. You need to sign once again. Once you pass your evaluation, you need to sign contract. Like it depends on prop firms between 24 and 48 hours. Then you can like continue paying for evaluation or pay activation fee. Some prop firms have monthly activation fee. Some has like lifetime activation fee. I personally prefer lifetime activation fee because I know I'm not going to blow my account next day. No, I'm not going to take any trades. That's it. I said one trade a day and I'm done. Right now, just was trying to have some fun. Going to be done, guys. I hope you enjoyed this stream. I hope everyone took trade of the day. I'm going to repeat this again. Right here, it was trade of the day. When we see speed displacement, this means it's best opportunity to trade. But it was trash right here. It's trash even right now. Okay, guys. If no more questions, I will see you next week. I wish you perfect the rest of the day. Perfect weekend. Perfect weekend. What else? Wish you good luck, guys. Yeah, guys, see you next week. Bye.